First responder vehicles are usually outfitted with high visibility strobe lights, but there are those times that you might have to show up in your personal car or truck. What then? Racesport Lighting has made these low-profile magnetic micro strobe lights that are super bright and easy to use. The great thing about these lights is you don't have to run any wiring. These lights are rechargeable and even have a small solar panel to ensure they're going to work whenever you need them. They come in a pack of 4 and they can be synced up for maximum visibility. These lights have 16 patterns to choose from, and they have 20 hours of runtime, all packed into a 1-inch tall package. So no matter what the job is, you'll have peace of mind knowing that you're seeing clearly no matter the conditions.